How we doing, people? Just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of the mystery tackle box. I got the Pro Walleye, also got the mystery terminal and the mystery Walleye bundle. So not sure what the terminal is, but we're about to find out. Alright, so we got the mystery tackle box Pro. See what's in her. Alright, it's exciting. Sweet info here. Assuming that is one of the mystery packs, and this must be the other one. So we'll get started with the mystery. Alright, so what's inside? Got the deep fry IMA. Must be this thing. Excuse the noobness. Just kind of getting into fishing here, so this could be pretty fun. The old platypus by Wesson. Be interesting to see how all these kind of play out. Shallow balsa shad. What else do we got here? Contour worms. Net bait. Gifted grub. Nice. The Boss weighted slip bobber. Large painted lead head jigs. Some sweet jigs. Pink and yellow. Some nice color there. Got a sweet sticker. It's more awesome reading material. Alright, so I just showed you what is in February's mystery tackle box for the Walleye Pro. I went ahead and got the mystery Walleye bundle pack. I'm assuming this is what this would be. Got the Deep Creek lures. Swimming wishbones. Got a rock runner, slip bottom bouncers, and looks like we have Lunker Hunt True Spin weighted lure. So I believe that would be the $10 Walleye mystery bundle. And here's the terminal mystery bundle. Would be my guess. Got some nice hooks. Trapper tackle. Got zone lock. Nice hook. Soft plastic hooks. Mustard. Not mustard, mustad. Last but not least, Strike King. Oh, jointed structure head. ½ ounce. So, there you go. February 2018. Got the mystery tackle box, the Walleye, and then these lures, bottom bouncers, True Spin would be the Walleye mystery bundle, and then the terminal tackle. All some nice hooks. So it's a nice start. Get me started doing some serious fishing. So thanks for watching. God bless.